Under my coffee maker, there is a disposition, a sign of silent hatred. Oh my, oh my. You had the word to get creative. When it started spilling sparks, the cup kept moving in the skies. The needle punctured like somebody has done to me. I'm sitting here waiting for this thing to spill bad coffee. I sit and wait for every moment, but what I have failed to realize, this cup it rejects slowly under my coffee maker. There's an attitude making everything known. You gotta let it go. Give me that heart with the cup and everything will get messed up. I know what's in my coffee maker. Under my coffee, under my coffee, under my coffee maker. Under the maker is another one waiting to be purchased. It really fucking hates you and wants nothing to do with it. I understand why. It's got them razor sharp teeth for not only punching K-cups, but your existence. Now you're standing here looking up and wondering, am I using that horrible 8-ounce gift? Don't you see? It will take your desecrations and make it a compensation. I'll be sitting here when it gets rid of it. What's under my coffee maker is a disposition, some hatred unexpected. Now I'm sitting here not paying it forward with it as it begins to shape it, and I know what I'm doing under my coffee maker. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to say, the coffee maker got mad, snorting flames up in it, shattered the cup in half, the heart lying on the ground, evaporation glass, melting coffee liquid now, reluctant to take another, brewing better than you. Brewing much better than you. It's brewing much better than you. It's brewing much better than you. The coffee tastes more sweeter than you. Well, under the new coffee maker, there's another disposition. This one's ready to brew something better. But under my coffee maker, there is a disposition. I don't know what I'm thinking, but it knows I'm not with you. It shattered the cup like you shattered my heart. You set me on fire, but I ignited the flames, and I got rid of you. The cup got rid of itself too. It's got no resisting because of you. Yeah, because of you. Under my coffee maker. Ah, that's classic.